Wow, look at that big tornado is.
A clue.
Yeah, tornadoes really big and windy too. That's why to say.
No, a clue.
Oh, you see a clue? Where?
Right there.
Oh my, there is a clue on that tornado. Wait a minute. How did Blue pop that tornado like that? Well, a tornado is a clue. We in our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Okay, so a tornado. I know what did her great grand is draw a tornado. Let's draw a circle around like this. There, that's kind of tornado. I are the first clue, a tornado. Oh no, a tornado is coming his way. Where else did it go?